Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ivan B. Pastor, and for today's video, we're going to discuss the post-mortem changes of the body and the approximate time of when these changes occur. So without further ado, let's start this vlog in 3, 2, 1. So first, we need to understand what is the meaning of post-mortem. So post-mortem refers to after death. So meaning when the person is died, there are some changes occurs in the body. Once it is occurs in the body, there are series of changes that happens after death. So the first changes is pallor mortis. So this is the first mortem changes occurs when the heart stop beating and stop supplying blood to the skin, and the corpse is increased paleness to the face and other parts of the body. The rapid changes of the skin occurs within 15 to 30 minutes after death. So the second stage is algor mortis. So it occurs when the brain cell begins to die and the heart stops pumping blood. So the corpse will eventually match outside temperature. So when the outside temperature is decreased than the normal temperature, then it takes 18 to 20 hours in order to decrease and match the normal temperature. Next is rigor mortis. So in this stage, the muscles will become relaxed and limp. So after a few hours, it will become rigid. So meaning naninigas ang mga muscle. So the process of rigor mortis starts within 2 hours, and the average time that the rigor mortis will last is for 24 hours. And also the rigor mortis is the best way to establish the time of death of a person. Next is the livor mortis. So this is the stage of death which tends to collect at certain parts of the body depending to the position of the body. So when the person was flat on their back, then the blood could collect to the part of the body which touches the ground. So while if the person was hanging, so it could collect in the fingertips or the toes. So it could take 8 to 6 to 8 hours in changing the color from red to bluish purple. So the skin of a person turn to white and return to bluish color upon the removal of pressure when the skin was pressed. So after 12 hours, the skin does not turn white and also the blood was fixed there. So after those changes in the body, there was a late changes occurs. So it refers to the decomposition and the skeletonization of the dead body. In the decomposition process, there are stages of decomposition. So the first is autolysis. So autolysis refers to the body's own digestive enzymes begins to break down circular proteins and other molecules in the body. Second is putrefaction. So it is a decomposition of the body which are driven by bacterial activities, wherein the epidermis or the outer layer of the skin was detached from the body. And finally, the skeletonization. So this is the final stage of decomposition, wherein the all soft tissues in our skin have been eliminated, and only human bones are remained. So that concludes for today's vlog, and I hope you learned something based on what I discussed and explained to you all, guys. And see you on my next vlog.